Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry. It's already writing code, creating art, even drafting legal contracts. So here's the big question. Will AI replace architects? Today, I'm breaking down what AI can already do, what it can't do yet, and whether you should be excited or terrified. Let's start with what's real right now. AI tools like MidJourney, DALL, and Stable Diffusion can generate architectural concepts in seconds. Futuristic towers, interiors, even site plans. AI software is also being used to optimize floor plans, test energy efficiency, and simulate natural lighting better than most students can by hand. So yes, AI can already design faster than us. But speed doesn't equal architecture. Here's the catch. AI doesn't know why. It can generate forms, but it doesn't understand building codes, safety regulations, structural stability, or human psychology. You can ask AI to make a beautiful skyscraper, and it will. But can that skyscraper actually stand up to gravity? Can it meet fire safety codes? Can it even be built within budget? The answer is no, at least not yet. Instead of replacing architects, AI will become a tool that makes us more powerful. Concept generation. AI can give you 100 variations of a design in minutes. Analysis. AI can run simulations on daylight, airflow, and energy use. Automation. Repetitive drafting work, documentation, and BIM modeling can be automated. This means architects will spend less time clicking lines in CAD and more time making creative, human decisions. Architecture isn't just about shapes, it's about people. Clients don't hire you just for drawings. They hire you for your taste, your judgment, your ability to listen, persuade, and translate their messy ideas into reality. AI can't sit across from a client who says, "I want it to feel warm, but modern, but also traditional like my grandmother's house." That's where human architects win. We connect culture, emotion, and vision, things AI doesn't feel. So here's what's coming. AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Firms using AI to cut costs and get faster results. Architects who learn to use AI will leap ahead of those who don't. The truth is, if you ignore AI, you risk being left behind. If you embrace it, you'll be the one shaping how architecture evolves in the 21st century. For me, starting architecture school right now, I'm not afraid of AI. I see it as a chance to create faster, test bigger ideas, and push design further than ever before. AI might change the profession, but the ones who adapt will own the future. So, will AI replace architects? No. However, architects who don't learn AI might get replaced by those who do. The choice is yours. If you want more deep dives into the future of architecture, like and subscribe. I've got some wild ones coming. Thanks for watching. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will eventually replace architects completely, or will it always just be a tool in our hands? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.